octopus-related flaws have been fixed.
Let's hope. Okay, closing in on you. Be there soon. Should let Mom know I'll be late.
Miles, ¿qué tal? Did you get the shopping list?
Hey, Mom. Yeah, but, the bodega was out of coconut milk. Gonna check a store downtown.
Oh, thank you. But avoid Midtown. That prison convoy is making traffic a nightmare.
Oh, yeah. Good call. See you at dinner, Mom. Man, how does Pete do this secret identity thing? Completely stresses me out. Pete! You here?
Just down in some rocket fuel.
How are you drinking?
Very, very carefully. Okay, go time.
Helix 2 en route with heavy payload.
Copy, Helix 2. We've got you on scope.
This is a big operation.
It's gotta be. Hundreds of felons escaped from the raft last year. Now it's time to move them back in. Police aren't taking any chances, especially not with our guest of honor.
Getting a lot of interference here.
One of those guys who helped Doc Ock is in there?
Think so. Could be Vulture, could be Scorpion, could be someone bigger. Okay, we got a problem. Hold back, Miles. Let me take...
I got this, Pete. Don't worry.
Oh, no!
It's secure.
You're drifting, Helix 2.
We have a weight imbalance.
Corrected 236.
Rudder's unresponsive. Brace for impact. Helix 2 going down.
Helix 2 is going down.
Brace, brace, brace! Helix 2 is down. No casualties. Payload compromised.
Response team dispatched. Sit tight, Helix 2.
Pete, I'm sorry, man. I didn't mean to.
It's okay. We got this. Just need to contain it before... Before that happens.
Hello, tiny spiders.
Miles, I've got Rhino, but you have to contain the escapees.
Right. Insane. I'm on it.
Got a death wish!
You're never gonna trust me on a mission like this again.
Nice work with the helicopter, kid! Real heroic stuff!
Hey, guys. How about we call a timeout? Talk this through? Please? No? All right, then.
Nowhere run, Spider-Man!
How's it looking out there?
Almost contained. Nearly almost contained.
End of the line, Spider-Man!
Can't let Pete down. We need to get this under control.
Whoa, great arm. You ever pitch? Seriously, you're AAA easy. Whole new career just waiting for you. How are the streets, Spider-Man?
Honestly, kind of terrifying.
Christmas in New York. Well, this town. Never seen the big guy up close like this. Freaking nuts. He's a work of art, all right.
Not the phrase I'd use.
Alexi, favorite holiday music. Nothing post 1965. Go. Love that one. Mine?
Wow. Just wow.
Here comes the I got the keys! Let's move! Hurry up! Gotta get out of here! Alexei?
Hang on, I'm coming.
Wanna grab takeout?
Holy crap!
That's not good.
Oh, hey, sorry, Pete, scale of 1 to 10. How we doing?
10 for generating spectacle, 1 for minimizing destruction. Tomorrow's Bugle headline's gonna be a doozy.
Worst thing out of this is a bad headline. I'ma count us lucky. Oh, hey, sorry, happy holidays! Pete, scale of 1 to 10. How we doing?
10 for generating spectacle, 1 for minimizing destruction. Tomorrow's Bugle headline's gonna be a doozy.
Worst thing out of this is a bad headline. I'ma count us lucky. Oh, crap, doing her best. Pete, this is starting to feel real bad, man.
Don't think like that. We're going to stop him, as long as we work together. Speaking of, I'm giving you a hand up here.
Yeah, I got you. Okay, Pete. Yeah, I got this.
Take it away, Cowboy!
Oh, wait, that's the ball.
Hang on tight, tiny spider!
Spider-Man, hey, you need a little help? Hey, whoa!
Gotcha! And you're safe! You too!
Spider-Man, wow! Do you have any non-destructive hobbies?
Fly fishing! On the Volga!
That sounds nice.
The power over life and death excites me!
No. Thanks, man. Hey, you know you're ruining Christmas, right?
The last 6 Christmases I was locked behind 30 feet of steel! I intend to enjoy this one!
He's a menace! Too soft. He's a low-energy menace! Too easy. Maybe he's a weak-minded... Oh!
Hey, Jonah, you be good.
Very festive!
Menace! A feckless, treacherous, unhinged menace! Right here!
Mijo, ¿dónde está? It's getting late.
Hey, Mom. Yeah, coconut milk. Still trying to find it. Been kind of, an adventure.
Are you running?
Yeah, sorry. Trying to catch a train.
Mira, mijo, no seas mentiroso. Grab the milk and hurry home, please.
Sí, ma. Te quiero mucho.
Yo también te quiero.
Now or never, Miles. We gotta stop him.
On my way.
We gotta bring him down fast!
Yeah, what do we do?
Let us raise temperature!
Oh, bad, very bad!
Pete, are you okay?
I've got him. Headed your way. Be ready.
Okay. Yeah. Might, need a minute. Tip for the police. Maybe don't bring RPGs to the prison convoy next time. Maybe don't bring RPGs anywhere.
Got Alexei!
No.
Okay, that was pretty good. Get out of here, Spider-Man. You're making things worse.
Man, I'm trying to help you.
Taking the shot.
More guys up top.
Get behind you.
Pete, it's getting hairy out here. Police and escapees are shooting it out.
Back up the police! I can hold out a little longer!
Pete's counting on me. I gotta stop these guys. They're all over that bridge. He can't lose. He never loses.
Miles! Need your...
Pete? Pete! Hang on, man! Hang on! Pete needs me. I gotta move. Spider-Man, you good? Pete. 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 Wake up. Wake up, man. Wake up, man.
This Spider-Man is broken. I would like to exchange for new one. This one will do.
Miles, get out of here.
Back the hell?
What was that?
How am I even doing this? Electrocyte? Some kind of field induction?
You survived while your mentor perished. How unexpected.
And you're using words longer than crush and smash. Very unexpected. I'm not gonna let you hurt anyone else.
I am excited to see you try, small one.
You're not gonna keep pushing people around. you out of this, Alexei. Hey, in the future, this do the time, man. No more breakouts, please.
Will not stop me!
You destroyed half the city. Don't you care? You've hurt a lot of people today, Alexei. Too many. You know, man, chasing you through the city kind of felt like a wild, what's the word? Wild goose chase.
I hate chase of goose!
Hey, man, is the raft really that bad? You sure you don't want to just, you know, go back?
I am free spirit! No man shall cage me!
It'd be a great Christmas present to New York if you just stay down. You alive?
Kinda.
Guys? Wow, just